Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Students Homeopathy and let's learn together. So today we will talk about a very important topic, that is depression. The number of people suffering from depression increasing day by day. It not only affects the individual but often disturbs the whole family. So depression is considered as a very serious medical condition. It can get worse if proper treatment is not adopted in time. So in this video, we will discuss about the important signs and symptoms of depression, its general management, and of course the best homeopathic medicine for the treatment of depression.
But before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe for more informative, educational and interesting videos on homeopathy, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get notification as soon as a new video is published.
So coming to our topic, first of all we should know what the depression is all about. Feeling down at times is a normal part of life. End of a relationship, loss of a job or death of a loved one is difficult experiences for a person to suffer. It's quite normal for someone to feel sad about such circumstances, but being sad is not same as having depression. The grieving process is very natural and unique to each individual. Both grief and depression may involve intense sadness. In grief, painful feelings often intermixed with positive memories of the deceased, but in depression it's not the same. In grief, self-esteem is maintained, whereas in depression, feeling of worthlessness is very common. So sad and upsetting events happens to everyone. But if someone is feeling down or hopelessness or despair in a regular basis and it is hampering his daily life, then certainly he could be dealing with depression. Or in other words, depression is a mood disorder described by loss of interest in activities and a constant feeling of sadness which continues for at least 2 weeks. Depression not only impacts mind or mood or behavior but also physical functions such as appetite and sleep. So, how long can it continue? If not treated properly, it can last from a few weeks to several weeks, per month to years. So don't think that depression is a disease of the poor, unprivileged or who lack something. Depression can affect anyone, even a person who appears to live in ideal circumstances. So let's know a little more about depression, its signs and symptoms. Feeling like lifeless, hopelessness, feeling of empty and apathetic. They feel sad nearly every day, less interest in activities once they enjoy the most. A feeling of restlessness, difficulty in concentrating the things, delayed responses while talking, tiredness and lack of energy, increase of physical pain including headache, back pain, stomach pain, etc. Could not able to find what is exactly happening with him or her. A feeling of worthlessness or guilty is there. Feeling like life is not worth living, thought of harming himself or herself. So these are the very important signs and symptoms of depression. So next, how we will deal with this stigma? Cognitive behavioral therapy, or you can say simply talk therapy or psychotherapy, is used for the treatment of mild depression. Cognitive behavioral therapy is used along with medication for moderate to severe depression. Cognitive behavioral therapy has been effective in treating depression. It is a form of therapy focused on the present and problem solving. It helps people learn how to identify and change destructive or disturbing thought patterns that have a negative influence on a behavior and emotion. So, it helps a person to recognize disordered thinking and then gradually change up the behavior. So, along with this, self-help is the best thing one can do to help reduce the symptoms of depression. So, first, regular exercise helps to create positive feelings and improve mood. Second, enough quality sleep regularly reduces the symptoms of depression. And third, eating a healthy and balanced diet also helps to reduce the symptoms of depression. So coming next, our homeopathic treatment. We have very useful drugs which will certainly help to cure depression. We will discuss a very important indications of these medicines here. A qualified homeopathic physician can easily distinguish this medicine based on their characteristic symptoms, physical generals and prominent mental generals. So coming to our first medicine, that is Aramac. Feeling of worthlessness and grief is there. Here, depression is due to failure in job or some bad event in personal life, an instinct for self-destruction, constant desire to commit suicide, feels like life is a constant burden for him. We can get these symptoms in many medicine, but the most important indication is that here the state of mind is violent and dangerous. There will be unsteadiness and sad state of mind where the patient sits silently and says nothing, but when disturbed he is aroused to great violence and anger. So coming to our next medicine, that is Ignatia. Ignatia is specifically suited to sensitive and delicate women. She will do things as if she is crazy in her excitement. When excited or disturbed, go into cramps and trembles. Mentally and physically exhausted by long-lasting and intense sorrow. Always desire to be alone. One important characteristic of this medicine is that these people are very moody. Their mental conditions rapidly changes from joy to sadness or from laughing to crying. So coming to our next medicine, that is Pulsatilla. This remedy is also specifically suited to women. Here, they may be of obese build. One of the important indications is that along with depression, there will be aversion to marriage. Also, they imagine that the company of opposite sex is a dangerous thing to cultivate. She is mild, gentle, cheerful and weeps easily. So in this state, they need lots of encouragement and consolation. It helps them to feel in a better way and also ameliorates their complaints. So coming to our next medicine, that is Sepia. It's a very good medicine for depression. This medicine is also specially suited to women but who are tall and slim. They want to be alone like many patients of depression, but here simultaneously they fear to be alone. So it creates a peculiar situation for them or for the family members. Here, consolation from other people aggravate their condition. They suddenly become angry when others show concern about their sadness. There will be no desire or affection for the most delightful things in life. They become very indifferent to one's family, occupation or to those whom she loves the best. So coming to our next medicine, that is Natrimur. It has proved to be one of the best homeopathic medicine for depression. Here, weeping alternates with laughing. Crying from the slightest cause. Here also, consolation from other people aggravates the state of mind, especially sadness and weeping. No matter how cheering the circumstances are, she can't bring herself into the state of being joyful. Unpleasant situations are recalled again and again or constantly dwells on the unpleasant situations. Another important indication is that extremely forgetfulness. Forgets what she was going to say, loses the thread what she is reading or hearing. These people are very reserved. They used to cover their inner feelings and they never express anything easily. So this medicine is also indicated where depression is associated with irritability. So coming to our next medicine, that is arsenic. It is also a very good medicine for depression. Here, depression is associated with anxiety, restlessness, fear and weakness. So coming to the cause of the depression in these cases, they are much obsessed about their health and they look for perfection in everything. And any minutest disturbance in this make them disturbed and may lead to depression. Sadness to a great extreme, so sad that they are weary of life, want to die. Rather than sitting silently, they prefer to move constantly from one place to another. They are very restless mentally. So arsenic is mostly indicated where anxiety and restlessness present prominently. So coming to our next medicine, that is Kalkirekar. Basically, these people are of obese constitution and phlegmatic temperament, means mild, slow and peace-loving people. Pessimistic, worry about small things, weeping disposition or cry even in small things. An important indication of this medicine is that depression associated with fear. Fear of high places, insects, spiders, rats, dogs, disease, infection, cancer, even fear of insanity will be there. He feels his exhausting mind, weakness and inability to think must be going towards insanity. He broods over it. He is convinced that he is becoming insane. He thinks people look at him suspiciously and he looks at them suspiciously. So coming to our next medicine, that is Causticum. Here, the depression may be due to some bad happening in the society or due to misfortune for some other person. As they are very sympathetic and can't tolerate injustice, they become very depressive due to this situation. Long-lasting sadness associated with loss of sleep, one of the important indication for this medicine. Constant crying for hours, hopelessness are also other indication. Another striking feature is anxious foreboding. They fear that something bad is going to happen, fear that something will happen to his family members, always anticipating a bad or dreadful event. So coming to our next medicine, that is Natrum-Car. Here the person feels lonely, isolated, withdraw himself from the outside world. Anxiety and restlessness may be associated with depression, aversion to mankind and society, even to family and husband. Even after studying hard, they fear examinations. Another important indication is that music causes great sadness. Also, they are very sensitive to noise. The symptoms aggravated even from a slam of a door and of course from music. So coming to our next medicine, that is sulfur. The important indication is that religious melancholy means mental distress marked by worry and obsession with religious duty and relation to God and salvation. These people pray constantly and uninterruptedly. They will keep worshipping and doing all sorts of religious works most of the time in a day. Despite all their endeavors to suppress, they will not succeed. This may be due to some guilty feeling, or they think that they have committed some sins which should be corrected or excused by God. They are very lazy with an aversion to all sorts of work. There may be causeless weeping or weeping from the slightest cause. So, these are the important medicine which can be very useful in cases of depression, but the list is not exclusive and many other medicine also can be added to this list. Thank you for watching. Please provide your feedback and valuable comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Students Homeopathy and also click on the bell icon for further notifications.